Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your Netflix account, helping to protect it from unauthorized access. Follow these steps to enable this feature. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Netflix website and sign in with your credentials. Make sure you are on the account settings page. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Find Security Settings. Scroll down to the Security section of your account settings. Look for the option related to two-factor authentication or account security. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Click on the option to enable two-factor authentication. You may be prompted to enter your password again for verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. Step 5. Choose your authentication method. Select your preferred method for receiving the authentication code, such as via SMS or an authentication app. Follow the prompts to complete the setup process. Once you have completed these steps, your Netflix account will be more secure with two-factor authentication enabled. Always remember to keep your recovery options updated in case you need to regain access to your account.